Hello.
Hello.
What's your name?
I'm Alvaro Nalindraza.
What class are you in?
I'm in 7F class.
Now, what are you doing?
We're gardening with 7F.
Gardening?
Yes.
What is the step?
First, gather the ingredients, which is the shovel, soil, and also the plants.
And then after that,
The first step is bury the soil with shovel. Dig the soil with shovel, Then, fill it with a plant. Also, after that, recover it with a soil. And after that, plant the water so it grows. That's all.
that's all?
Yes.
So, are you alone in here?
No, I have some friends. This is Marcel Alvaro Rubial.
Hello.
And this is Marcel Alfian.
Hello, Marcel. Okay, thank you, Alvaro, for your time. See you.